understory layer. This is the next layer of the rainforest after the forest floor.
Ooh! There's a snake.
An emerald tree boa, no less. Don't worry, not poisonous.
And another one.
Actually, that's a liana vine, a tall woody plant that grows up the rainforest trees. And perfect for spider monkeys to climb up.
Do they live in the understory?
Nope, they live in the next layer. Going up. Here we are, the canopy layer.
It's really bright. Whoa! I'm very high up.
That's because we're at the top of the trees, so there's more sunlight. The top branches spread to create a thick canopy over the forest, even though no two branches touch each other.
There's the spider monkey.
The canopy has really thick leaves and loads of branches and vines to swing from. It's the perfect monkey playground.
So if we're at the top, where are the macaws?
Well, there's one more layer we haven't seen yet.
Really?
Ta-da!
Whoa! That's the biggest tree I've ever seen.
It's called an emergent because it emerges or pops out over the canopy. This is the emergent layer, the very, very top.
Whoa!
And if I'm not mistaken, that sounds like a parrot.
Macaws! They're so colorful.
One of the most colorful parrots in the world.